If you get Contact Form Not Found error message, it means that Contact Form 7 cannot locate the form have reference in your post. To debug further, first we need to identify the post where you have embedded the contact form. Open WordPress dashboard, navigate to post and find the post where the form is embedded. Click Edit to open the post editor. Inside the post, locate the Contact Form 7 shortcode. To verify the code in the Contact Form 7 and the posts are identical, copy the shortcode and paste it into a text editor like Notepad. Check whether the form ID and the title match the existing Contact Form 7 in your WordPress setup. This is how Contact Form 7 works when rendering the form. Contact Form 7 first tries to find the form by the ID. If the ID is incorrect or missing, it falls back to searching by title. If both the ID and the title do not match any existing form, it triggers the error message. To resolve this issue, open Contact Form 7 in WordPress, locate the correct form and copy its shortcode. Go back to your post or the template and replace the old shortcode with the correct one. Click Update to save changes. Refresh your post to see if the form loads correctly. And that's it. Your Contact Form 7 should work now as expected.